What's up guys, welcome to Club UX. In the past few years, the field of UI design has grown exponentially. The charm around UI design has prompted many people to take up the field of UI design. But what does UI design mean? In this video, we will talk about what is UI, what is UI design, and we will also cover a brief history of UI design. Before we begin, let me explain it in a metamorphical way. Let's suppose you visit an exquisite bakery shop and order a raspberry pink velvet cake. The moment it arrives, you are filled with lot of happiness and excitement. Why? The top of the cake is filled with lot of raspberries which are perfectly cut and neatly placed and aligned, along with some dollops of cream, along with some freshly cut fruits. Each and everything is placed in such a way that it is perfectly aligned and makes you feel very happy about the cake. So you see, this is the UI design, and in a metamorphical way, the one who has designed it is a UI designer. So what is a UI? UI stands for user interface. A user interface is a point of interaction between the user and a digital device or a website or an application. A user interface enables that the user is able to effectively control the computer or device by interacting with it. A user interface is basically a way or a means to interact with the digital device. Consider an example of booking a ride on Uber. How do you do that? You log into your app on the phone, you interact with the interface of the Uber, which guides you and helps you to book a ride to your destination. Or consider a digital kiosk. You will most commonly find the digital kiosk at your nearest shopping mall. You can make use of the digital kiosk to locate perhaps your favorite shopping outlet in the mall. So these are some of the examples that I can tell you about user interface. And what is UI design? UI design stands for user interface design. User interface design is the process of creating look and feel of the interface. UI design looks in aspects of how each element of the product looks, which includes placeholders, buttons, text, images, and so on. Basically, all visual interface elements that a user would interact with the digital device. So let's quickly review what user interface design means. UI design is about how the product's interface look and function, what the user sees, and how they interact with the product. End goal of a user interface design is to make the user's interaction as simple and efficient as possible so that they are able to accomplish their goals. It is specific to digital experiences and considers all the visual and interactive elements of a product interface, including icons, buttons, typography, color schemes, etc. etc. Let's quickly review the brief history of user interface design. Let's go back to 40s and 50s when the first generation of computers were introduced. With little user interface, the main method of input of computer programs and data was with the help of punch cards. Then as we advanced into late 20th century, Xerox was the first one which introduced graphical user interface, which became the major tool of human-computer interaction. In 1984 and early 90s, Apple and Microsoft introduced their computers with GUI, built-in screen and mouse. In 1990s, Palm Pilot started getting popular with its miniature version of computer. It had a user interface stylus which worked with its touchscreen. Then early 2000s, Apple introduced its Magic Mouse. Apple pioneered in UI design and took a giant leap forward with the introduction of iPhone in 2007 and iPad in 2010. With 2011 and present, not just touchscreen but voice recognition has also become a form of user interface with Apple, Siri, Google Now, and Amazon Alexa. In this video, we covered what is UI, what is UI design, and we also looked upon a brief history of UI design. If you want to learn more about UI and UX, then subscribe to Club UX. We also write blogs on yukti.io. Make sure to visit the website and learn more about user interface and user experience. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And stay tuned for more videos on UI and UX.